Hi, Olena. Hey.
Hey, Abby. How are
Hi.
you?
Good. What is the exciting topic we are going to discuss today?
Okay, let me be honest with you. I know we planned to record a video about security, and I was preparing for the video for the recording today, and I found some exciting feature which dying to share with everyone my findings.
What we love
I
to do, but what is it? I'm curious about it now.
I mean, just remember we had this
Mhm.
awesome session about AI features,
Yes,
and
yes.
this is also AI feature, and I we were showing how it works previously, but now we have more enhancements. Like it is a little bit yeah, expanded now, and it has some exciting options or settings. And I thought it would be great if we could record that. What do you think?
Sounds awesome. I remember the AI session we had. So which area in particular is this about?
This is actually this feature excited me last
Yes.
time we recorded it.
Should we wait for
It
you to
is
show it before?
no, that's actually
Yes.
no. I can talk about this, and I will
Yes.
start sharing my screen. If we yeah, so this is AI insights and that's something which you see my screen, right?
I
Um,
remember this. Yes. Go ahead.
so the AI insights is something which we're uh, to display was we could configure the list and you see the list in front of you, but we probably will go with vanilla page and we will start configuring on a page. And I have some playground sandbox to play with some toys for you to play with. Let's just start with actually enabling this feature. So I want to create a new page, and I I will ignore this, and I will call it just AI Insights. Can you see my screen well?
Yes,
Is
I
it
can see you
visible? So
creating a new page called AI
that's good.
Insights.
Okay, so this is a page. Yes, the logo a bit a bit questionable. So then we click on the list because this is a list related feature. And look, it actually shows us this. Um, and you probably we need to post the link for this and display somehow so people can learn more if they want to. And I think I will also enable this new component for the list. Let me just click on this. It's amazing. We like always, as always, we're gonna do pets. We always do pets. So we have
Yes.
set of cats, dogs, fish, and everything else. And I already set up the permissions, and list appears in here. It's all the active pets, which are in my database. So this is AI insights happening to us, but it's slightly different now because now we have this.
Ah, yes.
I
So remind me.
I
You
don't
know,
remember those
uh-huh.
things before. Do you?
Yes, yes. I remember when you first showed me. I asked you, what are the options to configure it, and it was pretty limited, isn't it? It's almost like, you get what AI generate for you.
Yeah, should
Is
we
it?
just preview it as is
Yeah. Yes.
before we start actually configuring this and get to the side the exciting bit where we actually configure some of the things. So let me just preview this. No syncing. We're not going to sync anything in this stage. Um, it should
Yeah.
be
We
on
just.
this page. Just a moment.
Mhm.
Yeah. So
Uh,
we see this thing doing something, and it displays as highlights, and there's some oh, look, the pet types distribution. So basically, let me just scroll to the actual list. I know we can collapse this, but just to give you some idea, we see we have a little bit like three cats, two dogs, and a fish, and we both are owning them. And Datacom is somehow
so,
sponsoring, probably they're sponsoring and those pets, and somehow, and there's an age and gender all of a sudden all male. I don't think that was the case before, but something changed. Okay, but yeah. So here we see the pet type distribution, right? And some highlights also. It data shows that Abby and Alina are the owners of the pets listed. Okay, this whole things we've seen before, right?
mhm.
So what do you think changed? Should we go back to the design studio then?
I'm so excited right now. Hold on. Yes.
Okay, where do
Okay.
we go? What do we
Yes.
do?
So we do see two buttons above there. What do
Yeah.
they do? Can you show us? What are the
There is some sort of styling available. See, we can,
yep.
yeah, we
Mhm.
can change the styling. And let's just remember how it looked like before. There's like a little bit of gradient in here, and this blue, nice fat border, right? Abby, you had some inspirations.
I
Let's design
I
something.
I usually don't like borders within the
Okay.
page that looks too obvious.
let let's
Yeah.
just do this then. It
Yeah.
does not show it on preview, but let's just see how it's gonna.
Um,
Do we just do, or we just do this as well? I mean, the zero
like this
should
one
be
is
just enough.
zero, doesn't really matter the color. Yes.
Should we
And
just
yeah, make the background color a bit darker. Oh,
like
that's
this? Do you like it better like this?
maybe let's go 50.
It's
I don't know.
50,
It's yeah,
62.
62. Cool.
What is this doing?
Adding.
This padding. Can we do smaller slightly? Because I know it's fancy, schmancy, but I want it feels like it's too much space is taken. Oh, look, we can do padding on the top and bottom. And okay, let's just keep it like this. Let's just do 5 maybe. What does it do? Okay, that is narrowing the whole thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Do we want to go and preview?
Yes, let's have a look.
Okay, so we're now styling that. I'll just shift refresh this. Oh, we forgot something. We
Mhm.
did forget something. But let's just see. Okay, that's brighter now. It does not have an ugly border, so we can a bit style it to be like. Oh, look, we changed the date. For some reason, it didn't change. I wonder why. What did we do wrong? For this site setting, our date is still,
Oh, the date format
still,
is still
yeah. Okay, so we forgot one more thing, and then we will go to this exciting side. With the style, it actually was it with the style or something else? No, I think it was here. Yes, it was. Okay, so what do we have here? Oh, sorry.
You do have, I
I
just saw you do have the option to keep the AI insights expanded or
Yeah,
collapse mode.
let's
Okay.
just do
That,
collapse by default. Yeah,
mhm.
because it takes lots of space. So it is collapsed by default. It called AI Insights. We don't mind. Look at this. What is this?
Additional instructions. Optional. Letting is
Remember we discussed last time that we have
and it's
zero control on what it displays,
now.
right?
Shall
So
we try something?
yeah, we
So
definitely will. I want to do
show
one
for
more
access.
thing. There is a layout in here, and because oh, sorry, I'm clicking randomly on things. I want to try it. It gives us options to display at the top, bottom, left, or right.
Yeah,
Where do we want to?
that can be helpful. It can be like in dynamics
Yeah,
showing.
like a
Shall we
panel.
try? Yeah, shall we try
Which
left?
one? Let's just do
I'm
left.
not sure. Let's try left. How
Let's
does
just try left.
Mhm.
Do we want to see what it is, or you want to try prompting?
Yeah, what do you want to, what are you interested in? This is natural language, show product
Yeah,
sales, or which is pretty helpful. Maybe can we type something like
yeah.
I'm interested in age distribution? Would it understand?
Let's see. In
Age.
pets, I think um distribution. Okay, are we ready? There is no save button here. I hope it saves it. Should we
Oh, there's
just
no,
try?
yeah,
There is no
let's,
save button. Let's
okay.
just click on
That's good to
preview.
know. Let's preview.
Let's hope it saved it. I mean, not just randomly typing and it disappears. Fingers crossed to that. Okay, so now it does not expand it by default.
There's a
So,
button.
oh, look,
Wow.
it now appears at the
Highlight.
left, but it does not quite do the panel thing, right? And in the just pet age distribution, look, we even have 3 pets which are
We have
quite old.
senior cat, senior pets.
Yeah, high age consistency. The majority of pets have high age of 25. The
Wow.
majority of that is yeah,
That's
so
That's amazing. So at the top there, we have a few different charts. These
yeah,
are,
we can
I wonder
try.
if this is the option that we just saw. Can you
No,
show us? the-
yes, to pick up the chart type, right? So there's a chart type option,
mhm.
and it's quite helpful as well because not like some charts don't make sense, so we can pick up what
So
we leave.
it's
But
good to have these type of
yeah,
controls. Yes.
yeah. Then what I think, let's just try to. Maybe are you ready to change the prompt or add something in here?
Yeah, that's I'm wondering, does it do like top analysis? Do we want to see what pets are likely to come into for checkups, things like that?
Yeah. How do we ask that though?
Mm, so highlight pets that are due for checkups. I don't know, but
Highlight pets which haven't had
checkup.
a check up in the past 2 months. Oh,
You
what
can't have quote
haven't?
quotation. Okay.
Okay, which haven't. Okay,
Yes. Okay. Mm-hmm.
check up the past what? Past 2 months. Okay, shall we try?
Yeah, let's try that.
How are they going to highlight that? But do we care? I don't think we care. I
I have no
do
idea what it's
it.
gonna do.
Do it.
Yes.
Okay, so it will be collapsed, which is great because otherwise it's just like, ooh, it does. Ooh,
Winter and snow haven't had it.
it is very helpful. Not exactly what we asked for, but this
Yes.
is really helpful, right? So it
Yes.
is, there's a no checkups. It just doesn't quite. Okay, should we probably change the prompt? It's cool. It's interesting. And the types of charts are limited now. So it's only 3 of those. And I don't know, there's an age distribution and pie charts in,
And
yeah, it's quite
I
cool.
I wonder if user can do something with this. So
I
does
don't,
it the instruction we enter it as a site maker? I guess for user it doesn't look like this option to modify this, is it?
that would be great if
Mm-hmm.
user could type prompts and chat. That would be super useful. I think we may ask Microsoft, please, could you make this change? That would be awesome. I think that would be cool for the portal to have this type of thing, right?
For user to be able to serve themselves to get
One
paid.
very last prompt. What are we gonna ask at the end of this? What do we want to ask? Can we just clean everything and put something else?
Yeah.
Like um should we ask something new, like um if we ask suggest something, it's kind of a balance in between us telling the tool and tool is doing their AI magic. So basically, if we say do whatever you want, it's pretty much like not giving instructions at all. But then maybe is there show the relation between um the type and a age. Yeah, will
That's
it
a good one.
work?
Let's see.
Let's just see if it's gonna. And then it's so scary that
Mhm.
it doesn't give us to save things, right? It just okay. So I usually don't trust this, even shift refresh thing. So let's just okay. Abracadabra. Correlation between pet type fish. Okay, it's not a correlation. I didn't think the
Kind of
correlation
shows,
means
yeah.
that, but yeah, but this is, look, the charts are, they
Yeah,
showing cat by age and dog
and
by
fish
age.
surprisingly is
Yeah, it's actually working somehow.
25,
Yeah.
yes.
So it just grouped by
Mm-hmm.
type, right? So and
Yes.
it shows average age and kind of like this. Cats have age ranging from 12 to 25 and dogs. Yeah, it is a correlation. This is not, but this is, and the
Yeah.
whole chart is well done, well done. I am super excited to see how this feature is gonna improve and expand.
Mhm. Yeah, I agree. It's totally a great improvement for us to
Yeah.
have some control
Yeah,
in
I
that
agree that
aspect.
giving back control to user would be even better.
Mhm.
Anything else, Abby, you want to try or say or summarize before we finish this session?
I have to say, I'm delightfully surprised by what we are doing today. And I think this is a great improvement to make the AI insights, or at least um, be used in applicable, make it applicable in a lot of areas. I think it's a great improvement. Thank you for showing me this.
Yeah, of course we will. Thanks so much. Thanks, Homa.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for participating.